I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Hey guys, welcome to Casually Drinking. My name is Gary. I'm not a bartender, and happy Valentine's Day. On this special occasion of love, we're going to be taking a look at 3 simple cocktails. So the drinks we're making today is something called a Cherry Crush. I'll leave a link in the description where I got the recipe. Strawberry lemonade margarita and a crushed strawberry Sprite. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and please give a like and subscribe. Feel free to comment a cocktail idea you guys would want to see me make, and yeah, I'll do my best. Let's get started. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. These are 3 Valentine's Day inspired cocktails. And as always, please give a like and subscribe if you're new. Feel free to comment any other drinks that you guys want me to tackle. And happy Valentine's Day to whoever's watching this. You know, you are loved. Later.